Hi, my name is Jacob and I'm 7 years old.
Hi, my name is Charlie, I'm 5 years old.
In today's video we're going to be showing you how to fix your PW50. Really mucky.
So currently I'm just going to clean out the old airbox because it's filled with dirt, grime, grit and all the horrible stuff. So we're just giving it a wipe out, getting it all nice and clean again. Cool.
Hi, my name is Charlie.
Sorry, that's the director's seat over there.
No, it's not. It's my seat. The boss is
No, it's my seat.
I'm the boss.
No, there's the boss.
Yeah, you're right, boy. Our fleet of bikes.
There's how much bikes, Charlie?
4 bikes.
There's one in there.
5 bikes. But the little one's ours. The little one's what I just showed you.
Charlie, what sticker decal set have you picked?
What does that mean?
What stickers did we just pick inside in the house?
Spider-Man?
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. So currently we've got the PW50 out now. Jakey's on there on a little play around. This is his first time on something that simulates a bit of a motocross kind of style. Charlie, he's now going to have a go. They haven't ridden for about 6 months or so. So it's a bit of practice in the open field and then onto the motocross bit. And then afterwards, using the cones, we're doing a bit of sitting and standing practice. You ready, Charles?
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's dropping. Tasting with the fade, not the air, my hands rocking.
So same again, seated, get to the blue cone, stand up all the way to the second blue cone. Happy? Go on then. Nailed it. Perfect.
Job, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, finished friends on my face. Looking like I'm from the D. D's no Cartiers. Pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, a beat, bro. I press the button and the doors go up like.
So there we go, hope you enjoyed this video. This is the first video that Jacob and Charlie have been in. They've wanted to be in a YouTube video for a while, so I thought why not give them their own little Pee-wee channel, or Pee-wee playlist should we say. Next on the cards is Jacob. We'll be looking at getting him a bigger bike. Pee-wee's getting a little bit small for him now, so what we're going to look at getting is a Fun Bikes. So funbikes.co.uk, we'll put their link in the description below. Okay, so the Pee-wee seat height is 47.5 centimetres, and the new bike we'll get him is 62 centimetres, so a little bit taller, but hopefully it'll fit it nicely. Thinking getting the 50cc one still, but they do a 90cc of the same frame, so we'll contemplate getting the 90cc. Bear in mind it's only 7, so we'll see how that goes. But I hope you liked it. Stay tuned, we'll do more videos like this when we get the kids onto the motocross track, especially when we go on the track as well, and I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for next time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.